Mabel, your Airbnb Superhost. In a span of 3 years, we have managed to host over 1,000 of stays. Join me in my journey as I navigate through hosting, business, and personal growth. Hello everyone! For today's video, we are here right now at Coast Residence. We are just finalizing a unit over here. We are actually on the 25th floor. Ito po yung unit na binisit ko the last time, yung Coast Residence. Ayan, ito po yung ating wabi-sabi design on this unit. So right now, medyo marami pang nangyayari over here. But, ang goal natin today is matapos na lahat ng mga gawain dito sa unit na ito. So, itour ko din kayo dito sa ating bedroom over here. So, we have already installed yung electric fan, yung ceiling fan natin sa taas. And then over here is tinatapos na po yung ating stucco finish na wall. So, tapos na nila gawin yung pinaka-wall, naglalagay na lang sila ng top coat. Ayan. And then over here naman is tinatapos na din yung wallpaper. Ayan. And then later, dadating din yung nag-ayos ng internet para i-transfer yung ating internet source over here para malagay siya dito para malinis yung wall na ito. And then in addition to that, parating na din yung furniture na ating pinaretoke natin yung furniture na existing dito. So parating na din siya. So, I'll be walking you through sa mga ginagawa namin for today. Ayan, so super jam-packed yung day natin ngayong araw na ito. I-share ko sa inyo guys yung pinaka-target natin for today. So, una is paintwork and finishing. So, tatapusin na namin to. Kasi yung previous na gumawa ng wall na to is medyo naging faulty yung craftsmanship niya. So, we're really doing our best para maisalba yung ating drywall over here. And the next is dadating na din yung mga taga-glass and aluminum work para i-install yung ating backlit mirror sa bathroom. I'll be showing it to you guys later. And then we're also gonna be purchasing foam mattress. Tapos, i-drill na din namin yung remaining artworks dito sa wall. Ayan, and then i-deliver na din right now yung furniture. Since nagkaroon po tayo ng changes sa furniture, kasi yung previous silang na-deliver is medyo reddish yung tone. And what we want to achieve is yung pinaka-natural tone ng furniture natin or yung pinaka-natural tone ng Gemelina wood na ginamit sa ating furniture. And then next is foam pickup and delivery since we ordered then yung pinaka-foam para sa magiging sofa over here. Ayan, so it's gonna be delivered din today. Actually, it's already in the car. Ayan, itataas ko na lang. And the next is internet relocation. Ayan. So as you can see, medyo jam-packed talaga yung day natin today. Yes. And I want to show you guys kung ano talaga yung nangyayari behind the scenes before launching an Airbnb property. And then, i-share ko na din sa inyo guys that we are already offering yung design services natin and property management for Airbnb. Ayan. So, added service natin yan. Ilalagay ko po yung link down below. Ang name po natin dyan is Rise Up Property Management. So, basically, if you have a property that you want to turn into an Airbnb, so we do yung end-to-end. So, we design, and then we also construct, we build, we design, build, prepare pagdating sa mga photoshoot and everything, and then we also manage the property and as well as yung marketing ng property. So if you want to guys, if you want to have your property managed, check nyo lang po yung link down below para sa ating services para malaman nyo yung yung mga inclusions and everything. Ayun. Guys, so update ko lang, dumating na dito yung mga taga-internet and according to them, hindi daw pwedeng i-transfer talaga yung router no matter what happens kasi yung pinaka-connector niya as per SMDC is doon lang talaga sa part na yun ng wall. Ayun, so I guess we'll have to figure out a way kung paano mas maging malinis tingnan yung wires ng internet natin. And right now, dumating na din yung mga furniture natin. So, we are just clearing up yung mga items over here para makapasok na yung mga furniture natin. Yan. Pumuporma na.
Then ito, tapos na siyang pinturahan.
Hello everyone, time check, it's already 7 p.m. And right now, we are just finishing yung pag-unpack ng mga gamit. So, ito yung trash bin namin over here. So, ayusin lang namin yung mga items para bukas, pagdating ng mga cleaners is pwede na silang mag-todo-todo ng linis. Ayan, ito din yung ibang items ng for the house, yung mga curtains natin, mga extra pillows, ganyan. And then yung onting sheets natin over there. And then we are just really finishing up dito sa ating unit. Ayan, so tingnan natin yung CR. Ayan, so ito yung itsura na ng CR, ganyan. Ayan, yan yung itsura ng ating CR. So we have still yet to clean it up even more. Kumbaga, ayusin lang namin siya dito before talaga kami mag-head out. Yes. So, let's go, guys. Ay! Ayan. So, ito din palang router situation natin is na-fix na din siya. So, very clean din naman yung naging output. Guys, so it's already almost 8 p.m. in the evening. And okay na talaga yung ating setup over here. Bale, ni-pile up na namin lahat ng trash over here kasi i-deep clean na siya tomorrow. But look at this, guys. It's getting better and better. Palapit na talaga tayo sa ating vision for this place. Ayan, tingnan nyo, nadikita din yung artwork, ganyan. And then, yung bedroom natin over here, it's getting better and better and better. Kumbaga, super lapit na talaga natin sa ating goal. Ayan. Tcharan! Ayan din yung CR natin over here. With that being said, guys, tomorrow, what we're planning to do is to finalize then yung decoration and yung deep cleaning ng place na to. Kumbaga, yung preparation for photo shoot. And then after that, we're just gonna fix some minor details dito sa place na to. And then after that, once again, is I'll be taking you guys with me dun sa entire thing then for tomorrow. Kumbaga, para makita nyo yung what goes behind the scenes talaga sa pag-launch ng Airbnb. Ayun guys, with that being said, thank you guys for watching until the end. Thank you guys for watching this video and for all of your support. And I hope to see you on the next one. Bye-bye!